So hi guys, after a long time you can say that prediction video is coming in क्योंकि एक हफ्ता तो गायब था ना मैं. So now I will be regular. कल से मिलूंगा रोज. Don't worry. So let's see tomorrow what can happen in our market. And yeah, tomorrow is 27th Monday. So technically we'll see what can happen. So technically tomorrow कल क्या लग रहा है? It's a narrow CPR or one liner CPR. पतला CPR है. So this is a पतला CPR. So maybe a sudden up and down direction, like it will just try to go up, नीचे आएगा, suddenly ऊपर मारेगा, वो ऊपर नीचे रहेगा, or else it will play between this through range. That's all. So tomorrow Nifty can play between the range of previous day high line and S1. That's what I feel. And if the first candle, and one more thing, the logic in this, like what you can find out is if the candle opens above this line, or if it just breaks that line, and if it withstands above this, अगर कैंडल ने इसको ब्रेक किया ये लाइन को दोनों को, और इसके ऊपर अगर रह गया तो बड़ा ब्रेकआउट होने की संभावना है. या अगर कैंडल इसको ब्रेक करके इसके नीचे सस्टेन हुआ है ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, तो लंबा गिरेगा. गॉट इट? दैट्स द लॉजिक. एंड इफ द फर्स्ट कैंडल लॉजिकली नॉर्मली क्या होता है इन वन लाइनर सीपर, व्हाट हैपेंस नॉर्मली, ओके, इफ द कैंडल ओपन्स ओवर हियर, इफ इट जस्ट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर, maybe like 70 to 80% of time it will go and touch this line. And if the candle is opening somewhere over here, first is like the 50% is your target, then CPR is your target, or it will go and try to touch that point. So got it? So that is a simple basic thing of a one liner CPR. That's what I say. So कल देखते हैं क्या होता है. One liner CPR है. So major game will be, the major game tomorrow in Nifty is above this line or below this line. That's all. In between, yeah, it will be a pure scalping. Nothing is going to happen. जब तक ये पिंजरे को तोड़ेगा नहीं, इसके अंदर से बाहर नहीं निकलेगा, कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. That's all. And yeah, 23 है. So 27,965 is a good resistance. Bottom supports are 22,830. Yeah, 22,769. That is what you can watch out for Nifty Baba. Got it? So one liner CPR maybe for trendy market tomorrow should break the previous day high line, or it should break S1. Got it? And then in BN Baba. So technically in BN Baba you can say it's in between, like it's a चौड़ा है थोड़ा. So थोड़ा narrow बोल नहीं सकते. 80 के नीचे या थोड़ा सा चौड़ा है थोड़ा सा. So it's a wide CPR over here. And yeah, in Nifty also it's a ascending CPR. BN also it's a ascending CPR. Is it clear? So tomorrow nothing special in BN also. If the first candle is open over here, if it doesn't break R1, it will go back to the CPR. फिर पहला कैंडल यहाँ पे ओपन होता है R1 पे, अगर उसने R1 को ब्रेक नहीं किया वो CPR पे चले जाएगा. And the first candle opens over here, it doesn't break previous day low line, will go back to the CPR. That's the logic. Got it? And the support and resistance, yeah, 49.67. Laos should go up, maybe 49.537 on the top, or maybe anything special. देखते कल या नीचे गया, then 48.823 or 48.299 is the level to watch. Got it? So that is technically what I want to tell you. Shankically, I don't have any diagram for tomorrow, but I think maybe like क्या बोला कल या परसों, there is one jump again pending in the market. So maybe this week one jump will be pending. Then बाद में Friday को रोएगा मार्केट, कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला शायद. And maybe next week टपकेगा. Got it? So maybe this week, yeah, it will try to pull up. अगर ये वीक में अगर पूरा ऊपर ही ऊपर भागा एक पॉइंट पे जाके बैठेगा, and then maybe next week Monday Tuesday से टपकने की chances है, संभावना. That's what I feel. So maybe one jump is there. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. I don't have any diagram. So कल या परसों कुछ होने की संभावना है, मतलब भागेगा ऊपर बाजार, ऐसा लग रहा है. That's all for the days. And yeah, Mumbai seminar was good, and the next seminar is in Hyderabad. So maybe yeah, 58 days to go. वो भी 58 days जल्दी भाग जाएगा. And Mumbai seminar was too good. And yeah, lot of new people were there. The count was also like pumping. कुछ ज़्यादा ही गर्दी था. In offline also, in online also. Yeah. Hope next seminar में और ज़्यादा हो जाए. So bye guys, see you. And yeah, अपना प्यारा hero. And I think around 2:30, like on Wednesday night, I posted. क्या पता कितने लोग ने देखा था अपील पैटर्न या ECG पैटर्न करके, तो देखा होगा. एंड यस, विद दैट SP लेवल भी पागल जैसे भागा था. सो डू कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो कितने प्रतिशत लोगों ने वो देखा था अपील पैटर्न. डू कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो. एंड यस, कल आता हूँ लाइव में, टेंशन मत देना. बाय गाइस, सी यू. एंड या मेरा प्यारा हीरो वही अपना ब्लैक पैंथर. बाय गाइस, सी यू.